Good day everyone, I'm Wency Kapwa at ang aking ire-report ay tungkol sa lipid. Lipids are biomolecules that contain large hydrophobic structures that are commonly not soluble in water or hindi natutunaw sa tubig. Napapansin niyo ba na ang lipids or fat hindi siya humahalo sa tubig? Kasi mayroon po itong characteristic na hydrophobic. Ibig sabihin ay nire-repel niya yung water. They are not formed through polymerization. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila katulad ng carbohydrates or protein na nagbabond yung single unit together. 4 types of lipids: triglycerides, phospholipids, esteroids, waxes. Triglycerides include the fats and oils. Fats such as meat, milk, margarine, egg, and cheese are solid at temperature and are used by animals for insulation, protection, and long-term energy storage. Oils such as corn oil, olive oil, sunflower oil are liquid at room temperature and are used by plants for long-term energy storage. Sa antas ng molecular, ang mga triglyceride ay naglalaman ng dalawang uri ng mga subunit na molekula, glycerol at fatty acid. Alamin natin kung ano ang fatty acid. Fatty acid. Fatty acid is essential to understanding lipids. Fatty acids are long-chain carboxylic acids that are insoluble in water. Fatty acid can be saturated and unsaturated. Saturated fatty acid contains single bond into hydrocarbon chain. Animal fats have saturated fatty acid are solid room temperature. This is because the carbon chain is saturated with all the hydrogen atoms it can hold. Unsaturated fatty acid contains double bond. Vegetable oil have one or more double bond and are liquid temperature. Double bond result in kinks in the fatty acid chain which affect the melting point of the fat. Phospholipids are similar to triglycerides. Phospholipid contain glycerol and 2 fatty acid. Pero yung triglyceride is glycerol and 3 fatty acid. Are lipid with a phosphate group. And phospholipid have a polar and nonpolar. And mayroon po siyang hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Asteroids. Asteroids are composed of 4 rings of carbon to which different functional groups are attached. One well-known asteroid's molecule is cholesterol. Cholesterol serves as a precursor for the synthesis of other asteroids, such as testosterone, estrogen, vitamin D, and cortisol. Cholesterol is present in plasma membrane where it stabilizes the membrane. The hormones testosterone and estrogen have small differences in their functional groups that are large difference on their effects on an organism. Last is waxes. Waxes are nonpolar and repel water. They are found in protective coatings on leaves and on outer surface of animal. Waxes is produced in the air of some animals to protect the eardrum. In addition, bees construct honey combs from wax.